In this guide, I'll show you how to fix corrupted data on your PS5. So the first thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller, and you want to turn off your console fully. Now once your console is fully turned off, you want to press and hold the power button until you get 2 beeps. What this is going to do is bring you into safe mode. Then you want to go ahead and grab the USB-C cable that came with your console, plug it into your console and into your controller, and press the PlayStation button to enter into safe mode. Now from this safe mode list, we're going to be selecting Rebuild Database, and then you want to follow the prompts on screen to rebuild the database on your PS5. Now, if you're having problems at this point, you'll likely have to delete the game that you're having problems with. In this case, let's say it was Destiny 2. So you want to press the Start or Options button on your controller and delete it. And once you've completed this process, you'll be able to reinstall the game from a disk, or if it's a digital download from the PlayStation Store. Now, once you've finished installing the game, be sure to press the Start or Options button on it and check for an update just to ensure it's running the latest version. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.